Sarap. Chai. Banana gab kadao. Yeah. All right, folks. This is called roti, or Thai people pronounce it loti, and it's basically like a Thai pancake. And this lady right here been making them for years, and she said it's okay to make a video. So we're going to show you how she makes loti here in Thailand, and it's absolutely delicious. And we're going with the bananas and the eggs. They're mixing the banana with the egg right there. And getting the pan hot and reach in the dough. Pre-made dough. She got two. We ordered two. Alright, while that one's cooking, she's going to start the second one. Folks, if you can smell the smell coming off of this, the smell is wonderful. Dessert right here. We ordered the kebabs with my guy next door. So we're going with the chicken kebabs and the loti. Yeah, ไม่เป็นไรชอบสุก
ชุบไม่แล้ว
ๆใช่ชอบไม่เป็นไร Folks, you can get them like, I like mine extra crispy. That's why I told her don't worry about it.
ของหนูรอก่อนครับแป๊บนึง
I like mine extra crispy. You can get them softer, just let her make how she wants to make them. But a lot of times I tell her make mine cook, a little crispy. Smell the smell coming off of this. A little butter there. So I'm gonna cut it up into squares. Basically, you eat these squares with a toothpick. Two. Folks, you can't beat this right here. I'm gonna tell you. Come to Thailand, get the roti with the banana and the egg. a little milk, a little sugar. And that is basically 100% deliciousness. This lady knows how to cook where she's at. She's right here next to my kebab guy. You have to go back. I'll put the link down in the description to the other video. And she just wraps them up in a paper plate and you can take them home. But she's right next to my kebab guy on the east side of Pattaya. I'll put the link down to his video. Come over here, get a kebab and a low tea from this lady. And tell her how
80 บาท 80 บาท
80 baht, so they're 40 baht each. So let me get some money and pay this lady. Kap kun krap.